Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to equally space text box in Excel. Follow my video step by step. Let's begin. First, double click text box stroke, hold Control, click Format tab, Align, example center align. Okay. Now see this space again. Hold Control, Align, Align top. Again, hold Control, Format, Align, center, and down arrow key and this box. Okay, first of all, group this, select, hold Control, select box, align center, group. Okay, and hold Control, align center, middle. Now see this same equal space and hold Control, select middle text box, group, or hold Control, align, align top. Now see this equal space. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Hold Control, copy this layer. Hold Control, align,